Wave winding question number 2, and the number of conductors is 30 and number of pole is 4. So mark the conductors from 1 to 30. Here you can see that there are 30 conductors, and next find the Z by P, pole pitch. Pole is 4, so Z by P is 30 by 4, that's equal to 7.5. that means we have 0.5, that is we have 2 extra conductors at this winding diagram. Okay, if it were 28, 7 by 4 is 28, then we will get pole pitch as 7, but here it's 30, so definitely there will be 2 extra conductors. So what we have to do is first draw the conductors, then mark the conductor number, then first 7 conductors from first conductor 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, first 7 conductors comes under north pole, then next 7 conductors 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, next 7 conductors comes under south pole, then that extra conductor can be kept after the south pole, then again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 conductors comes under north pole, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 conductors comes under south pole, again we can leave that extra conductor. That means definitely we can say that first 7 conductors are coming under north pole, again the next 7 conductors are coming under south pole, again the next leaving one conductor, these 7 conductors are coming under north pole, and again the next 7 conductors are coming under south pole, and we cannot fix the direction of current, or we cannot say that whether these 2 conductors are coming under north pole or south pole. We can keep these extra conductors after each north pole or after each south pole. In the previous question we have kept an extra conductor after the north pole, then the next conductor after the north pole. Here we kept that extra conductor after the south pole and after the south pole. Okay, and now no need to mark the direction of current in the 2 conductors. Then draw the winding diagram completely based on the table given. That means first conductor plus 7 is the back pitch, that is 1 plus 7 is 8, then 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, then 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. Like that you follow the table and complete the winding diagram, and then draw legs from the windings and fix the commutator segments. I started the commutator segment at this point, that means here it is 5th conductor is joined to the 28th conductor. This one is the 28th conductor and this one is the 5th conductor. Okay, then this one is the 7th conductor and this one will be the 30th conductor. So I started from here 1 2 3. You can start from here as 1 2 3 or start from here as 1 2 3, then it will extend to this side. So I started 1 from at this point. You can start it from here or from here or from here. Now so if you get based on the legs you can start it, but anyway the answer will be same. Now you check for the first commutator segment the direction of current, that is for the 20th conductor direction of current is upward, and for the 5th conductor direction of current is downward. Both are in opposite direction. For this one 7th conductor direction of current is downward, and for the 30th conductor we have not decided the direction of current. Then for the 3rd commutator segment check the direction of current, that is for the 2nd conductor it is downward and for the 9th conductor it is upward. So if we check from first commutator segment to 15th commutator segment, we can see that there will be no brush, or we cannot fix the brush position. That means all the conductors are opposite current direction, opposite direction. Here opposite. So in every conductors the direction of current is opposite for each for every commutator segment. The direction of current for each conductor is different, so we cannot fix the brush position. So what we have to do is to mark the direction for this one. The direction of current for the 7th conductor is downward, so we can assume that the direction of current through the 30th conductor is downward, so that we can fix a brush at the second commutator segment. Okay, the direction of current is downward, so that we can say that it is a positive brush. Okay, so 30th conductor, now we are fixing the direction of current as downward. That means 30th conductor is coming under north pole. That is the effect of pole on the 30th conductor is north pole. Direction of current, we assume that the direction of current is downward, so that fix a brush here. Both the currents are coming downward, so that is a positive brush. And again for this one, here we can say that 8th conductor direction of current is upward, and here it is not fixed. So if we assume the direction of current is in the upward direction for this conductor, that is for the 15th conductor, then we can say that we can fix a brush on the 6th commutator segment. Okay, so there will be a negative brush. Okay, here we are assuming that the direction of current through the 16th conductor is upward. Then only we can fix a brush at the 6th commutator segment. So we got two brush at the second commutator segment and 6th commutator segment. Based on the arrangement of the commutator segment from here to here, there will be a shift in the brush. That means if this is in the second position or in the commutator segment 2, the conductors connected are 7 and 30. Okay, if you are marking it as 1, that means you will get a brush at this point. Definitely there will be a brush at 1 and 30. Okay, sorry, 7 and 30, and here 8 and 15. So definitely there will be a brush between 8 and 15 and 7 and 30. Okay, I think you got the answer. If you have any other confusion, you can call me.